YouTube? It's your girl Shay Vibes coming into you with another exciting video. Amazon store Lexqui sent me this really cute, I can't even lie, I was extremely intimidated. This is one of their knotless box braids wigs. It's very, very cute. As you can see, it has the squares. It's squared. It comes with the baby hairs. It's 36 inches long. This is in a color 1B. It is a synthetic lace front wig. I was extremely intimidated. I didn't even show that this wig also included 2 wig caps. It came with some lashes and some of the gold beading. It was packaged extremely well. I love the braids. Everything was so neat. The braids are absolutely gorgeous. It comes with a total of 3 combs. You have your 2 combs in the front. Then there's 1 comb in the back. There's also some lace in the back as well. And then you have the thick strap across the back. Now the wig, the inset is a little small, so it did fit my head really snug, which I really didn't mind. Direct links for everything will be listed below in the description box. And also be sure to check out the Poshmark closet as things are added weekly. I also use the Bold Hold Active just to kind of lay the lace. Again, I'm just a beginner. I have done several lace wigs on the YouTube channel. Not a professional, still a beginner, but I thoroughly enjoyed the challenge. I just laid it down, and then what I did was I used my black strip across the front and I allowed it to air dry for about 45 minutes. I did learn something. The mistake that I made was I laid the baby hairs down after the glue had dried. I laid it down with like a sea moss mousse, and I should have used something a little bit more solid. I am wearing the wig for this week, so I did decided to use like an edge control to lay down the front, but I thought overall I did a good job on it. Again, the hair was extremely beautiful, easy install. What I did also do after the video is I added some of my powder around the edges just to darken the edges up a little bit, just to have it match my skin just a little bit. Overall, I really love the wig. Extremely beautiful. Don't get intimidated by my application. Please give it a try. As always, please rate, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.